heading on into Animal Kingdom to celebrate Earth Day, to celebrate Animal Kingdom's 25th anniversary. It is absolutely crazy packed in here today. Let's go have some fun. Do you guys see this line to get in for parking? That is insane. I don't think I've ever waited to park at the Animal Kingdom.
Never in my life.
Oh, like this is the parking situation right now. It's all the way out to the grass. This is insane. I saw a couple other vloggers rope drop today, but we were gonna try to do the afternoon method to see if it was like a better option for us.
And according to the wait times, it's definitely not a better option.
Let's look at the wait times. 110 for Flight of Passage, 80 Navari River. Wow. All right. Looks like we're going on Dinosaur. And it's tough to be a bug. We're back to Disney World. Our last 3 vlogs were all Memphis, all Elvis, but now we're back in our hometown. Well, not our hometown, but where we live. We're back in Orlando, back at Disney World. We're gonna head into Animal Kingdom to see the 25th anniversary, tell Animal Kingdom happy birthday, see what they have to offer, what's going on. We heard it's crazy packed in there. The lines to get in were crazy this morning.
Some Earth Day shenanigans.
Today is Earth Day. Peace, love, nature. Welcome to Animal Kingdom. Happy birthday, Animal Kingdom. We even have the 100th over there with some special 25th Earth Day banners. They say April 22nd, so I don't know how long they're gonna keep them up for, but pretty cool. $12.40 walking on in here. The lines are still pretty long. That's awesome.
Trying to honor the day.
Of course.
We weren't dropping flowers too much today around the park, so that's why we have limited colors for the EAK.
Oh, okay.
And then I found one spot where there was a million of these old purple blossoms. I think it's a lavender trumpet tree.
Yeah, I love it. That's so cool. Have a good day.
Thank you.
So there's a line circling around the trading company for the 25th annual Animal Kingdom pins. Are you waiting in that line?
That is all the merch. They're handing out little laminated papers with what they have.
Wow. You know what that feels like? You know when we go to New York and the people at Canal Street have the...
Exactly what it is. Except you can't bargain these prices.
No bargaining Disney prices, Simon. This is the line, all wraps all the way around here into the building. It's still going. That's the start of the line. Walking on over to Dinosaur in this land over here, Dino Land. It's really not as packed as I thought it was going to be.
Not in Dino Land. It might be towards the other side of the park because that's where Pandora and Avatar Land and all that stuff.
Yeah, but there's not that many people We're about to walk up on Dino. Wait, I think it says a 40-minute wait.
Yeah, definitely gonna say 40, but I feel like we've waited outside before and it was like 30.
Yeah, maybe we do a test run for you guys. A lot of the times we have lightning lanes, but maybe we do this one and see if it's an actual 40, because I'm not thinking so. 20 minutes.
Place all loose items in the pouch in front of you. Time travel commencing in T-minus 10 seconds and counting.
I'm actually scared for this ride.
Secret. Listen up. We've got to get in, grab the iguanodon, and get out before the asteroid hits. Let's roll. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Time to get serious. Locking autopilot on homing signal now. Hang on.
Please gather personal belongings from the pouch in front of you and
Never
remain
again.
seated until the rover comes to a complete stop.
Awful. Starts off like not as bad as like I remember it to be, and then it like hits you. And it's like whiplash, whiplash, whiplash.
It's like seatbelt tugging into your hips, cutting off that circulation. Oh my gosh, that picture would be amazing if we could see it. I know I screamed like this. So I'm good with Liv not going on Dinosaur anymore.
Yeah, I don't need to ever do that again.
I don't know.
For another year, I'm good.
I don't know why we do that though. We're like, oh yeah, Dinosaur.
I'm
Let's
gonna
go
put that
on
one
it.
on you.
Yeah, that was on me.
No.
Also?
I knew what we were getting ourselves into, and I didn't fully remember, but it brought back PTSD for sure.
Yeah. Also, I hurt my back playing soccer, and that was not the ride to go on.
No. Seriously, if you have like any injuries, if you have a headache, if you're not feeling well, don't do it.
No, don't do it. If you have seizures,
Yeah.
epilepsy, anything, like they don't give you that seizure warning, but in the first tunnel that you go through,
It flashes.
yeah, it's bad. Bad. Okay, good. That's over with.
But we experienced it for like second time ever, third time ever,
Yeah, no, we don't have to do it
and
again.
last.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good without it.
Yeah.
It's just dark the whole time. You don't see anything.
Yeah, the dinosaurs are very well lit.
Also, it only took us, it was posted a 40-minute wait. It only took us 20 minutes.
Yeah.
So, on to the next. Let's go. It is our time. Let's go on Expedition Everest.
For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and please supervise children.
What is that over there?
Hollywood Tower 2. Epcot
Oh no! Scary! Oh no!
Alright, well, that was Everest. We're kind of rocking and rolling, like moving around today.
We are moving around. My back hurting so much. I needed like It's a Small World or something. That was... I forget how fast that ride is every time.
Yeah. The drop, like, is very speedy quick. Oh, now we're gonna go probably wait in line for the river rapids. It's only 45 minutes, so.
We never been on it.
Never been on it ever together, so.
Yeah.
It'll be interesting.
Hopefully we don't get soaked though.
Hopefully we don't.
I'll be a little upset if that happens.
She will be. I don't care, but.
Posted 40. Yeah. It looks like these people just got out of a swimming pool. Oh, he just got out of a swimming pool.
Oh, my hats did dry.
Poor little girl. Are you ready for that?
Yeah. Are you? Is the question?
No. No, I'm not. Oh.
Hey, here you go.
That, I'm not, okay. This guy, oh, nope, he's wet too. He just has a black shirt on. See, like, I'm not ready for that. No. Okay, maybe I'm regretting it, but we've been in line for 38 minutes.
Not over yet.
I hope it's over. I'm good with this. I'm good with this amount of wetness. Oh, that is it. Okay, that wasn't bad. That was really short. I thought it was a lot longer. That actually wasn't that bad. I really didn't get that wet. My legs got wet and my hair got a little wet.
I feel like it definitely differs with like how the weight is distributed.
Yeah, for sure. Is this your favorite part of all of Animal Kingdom?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Every time we come here, Liv is like, can we go see the gorillas, please?
Last time we were here, a gorilla was flinging poop out of his butt.
Look at the little baby. She's so cute.
That's really funny.
Is your whole day made?
Yeah, it is.
I feel like that's the most gorilla interaction we've had.
Oh yeah, for sure. That was cool though.
That was really cool.
Little baby was doing somersaults and stuff. He's trying to steal all the food from her older brother and then her mom.
Walking on out of Animal Kingdom, we had a good day. Now we are going to go eat off camera, and then we may meet up with some friends at another park in a little bit. They just became annual pass holders on the 20th, and they said they want to go to the parks for the first time as annual pass holders. So we'll see what they decide on, where we go, what we do, but we'll let you guys know.
So now we're at Epcot. We didn't really show you that, but we weren't expecting to get candy, but we decided to get some candy. Sid got the lollipop like we said in another vlog, and I got my rock candy. I don't know what color. What color?
Let's try blue first. What? You didn't want to try
I
blue?
wouldn't have picked blue.
What would you have picked then?
I don't know.
Okay, then why would you ask? Actually, it looks like grape, so maybe not grape.
I like grape.
Oh,
I like the cough syrup medicine taste.
yeah, no.
That's me.
All right, let's try it.
All right.
Oh my gosh, you're gonna break your teeth. Thoughts?
It's rock candy.
Just like you remembered?
Yeah. It's actually a very good flavor. Try it.
I can't tell if it's blueberry or grape.
I think it's grape. Actually,
I think it's grape.
yeah. I don't know.
Tastes like rock candy. I feel like all of them are gonna taste the
But it's
same.
not chemical-y, right?
No.
It's like,
Sugar.
sure. But it doesn't taste like the cotton candy.
No. Alright. If you guys remember, like Liv said, I was talking about this lollipop. And now I'm finally gonna try it. This thing was $6, $5. It was kind of expensive. You could cut it because it's gonna take me a while to go through. Taste test for my sour lollipop that I always wanted as a kid. It is not good. It tastes like Tutti Frutti, but sour.
That's literally what it's called.
But it really does taste like the zebra stripe gum. Like sour zebra stripe gum.
You can get used to it.
Yeah, but it's not good.
It's not sour. It's not like this.
So it's definitely not worth the $5, $6.
I think I would get it.
Would you?
No.
Okay. It looks so strange with the barges gone. Just a whole bunch of empty space. And I'm kind of sad about Harmonious leaving.
Yeah, I think it was really cool to have like the visuals along with the fireworks. We haven't seen the new show yet. Well, not new show, but the replacement.
But tonight we'll be able to give you our thoughts on it.
Our full opinion, let's say.
Yeah. But not really digging the no barges. I liked when the barges were in here. Our adventure is over for today, but we wanted to give you our 2 cents on Epcot Forever because this is the first time we've ever seen it.
Yeah, not a fan.
I'm not a fan at all. I don't like Figment. I don't like the Soarin' music. I mean, Soarin' as a ride, amazing, cool, right? But I'm just, I don't know. The fireworks are awesome. Like how they swirl and spin and really cool fireworks. Just the music is not it.
It's the music and there's like no story. It's very like, oh, imagination, like boom boom boom, imagination, boom boom boom, and it's like, all right,
yeah.
So like what else?
I was a really big fan of Harmonious.
Harmonious, yeah, the visuals, the music, the fireworks, everything about it was pretty good.
Yeah.
And it was longer. Like this show was only 10 minutes. Harmonious was 20, right?
Yeah, 20 minutes.
20 minutes, which, I mean, I guess there was as many fireworks for Harmonious, but it was more spread out. Then this one was just like boom, 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 money gone, fireworks done.
Yeah. I was really trying to keep an open mind for this one because I heard people really like it, but I don't see it at all.
Yeah,
This is like, I feel really strong about this. So like whenever we do come back for Epcot, I don't think I'll ever watch this fireworks show.
No, when the fireworks come on, I'm going to be telling my friends, all right, this is the time to ride whatever ride you want. Like, we're not waiting.
Yeah, but anyways, today was a good day.
We did a lot.
Did a lot of stuff. 2 parks, 1 day. My feet are so tired.
Yeah, my arm's hurting holding this camera, but.
So that's it for today's venture. Back on our Disney stuff. See you